Hi, I'm Dr. Miriam. I am the new nurse practitioner here at Innate Healthcare. I have my doctorate from ASU as a nurse practitioner, which is why I use the doctor term. But I am a family medicine nurse practitioner, so working with the span from little kiddos to elderly. And I have my training from ASU locally. Before becoming a nurse practitioner, I was a nurse in multiple areas, including oncology, labor and delivery, fertility nurse. So I've been fortunate to work in a couple different areas. And prior to that, I did my first degree is in medical technology or medical lab sciences, working in a hospital lab in the hematology department for on and off for about 13 years. So lots of medical relevant experience, lots of knowledge with labs and the inner workings of labs and lab testing, all of which I think gives me a really great foundation for when I started as a nurse practitioner. Since graduating, I have moved into this field of more functional, holistic medicine, where I really try and look at root cause analysis when I'm working with patients, looking at autoimmune diseases from a different perspective, looking at children experiencing autism from a different perspective. So I think everything that I've done up until now has really given me a good foundation to be where I'm at today. I am first generation American. My family is from Brazil and everybody still lives there except for parents and siblings. So I am fluent in Portuguese and Spanish. If anybody has those needs, happy to communicate using those two languages. I have a 4-year-old daughter, which I think has worked really well in my ability to connect with parents who are coming in with their kids with autism, because being a parent myself, understanding the challenges, the different tactics and tools to help them, I think just from my firsthand experience with a little 4-year-old has really been great and really given me a different perspective in working with parents. When I'm not here in the office, when I'm not working, I spend a lot of time with my little one, and we go to farmers markets. We enjoy traveling. She travels everywhere, and it's been really fun experiencing that with her. And we have a little bunny named Cherry that she did name, a little white bunny with blue eyes. And so we spend time playing with Cherry and just enjoying family. And so I'm excited to meet all of you. I'm excited to be here with Dr. Whitney and the Innate Healthcare team. And I look forward to meeting you.